most of the times you are not complying, or you don't have a proof of compliance of that freezer what you maintain, that as per what do you call food and safety, or as per the municipality or baladia, that you don't have a proof. Sometimes somebody comes back and says, hey, you know what, your freezer was not switched on. So one simple addition of a sensor and a log stating that my freezer has maintained -5 to -10 degrees all the time wherein my meat was stored, it is saving you from reoccurring fines and making you stand out in front of your customers as well, that you're maintaining standards. That's the value addition. So it's a small example, by the way.
Zabardast.
Yes.
Mohammad bhai, what is your another work you told me about before the other day you came? What's that consultancy? What's that? Please give me brief about that.
I see that there is a huge expansion which is happening within the country, and I really think this land has a lot of potential in giving you that opportunity that you can be a businessman, you can be an entrepreneur. And this is a promising land right now because it's expanding. It's giving you that approach.